Healthy Forever presents Best Fruits for Weight Loss. Fruits are not only replete with vital antioxidants and minerals, but they could also help burn belly fat naturally and promote weight loss. Read on to know more about some weight loss fruits. Losing weight is no easy feat. The journey could prove to be an overwhelming affair for many, especially when the results are not quick. Let us tell you a secret: weight loss is a time-consuming process in most cases, if you are aiming for a sustainable weight loss plan that is. Moreover, each body takes its own time to process and adapt to the changes. Therefore, if you are looking to lose weight, it is advised that you hang in there. Make sure you start with wise choices. Your diet plays a major role in weight management. It can make or break your fitness goals. Eating fruits may prove to be a game changer of sorts. Fruits are not only replete with vital antioxidants and minerals, but they could also help burn belly fat naturally. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Here are some fruits that are known to cut belly fat. Apple. Fresh and crunchy apples are packed with healthy flavonoids and fibers that may help burn belly fat. They are particularly rich in pectin fiber that breaks down slowly. The fibers present in the apple promote satiety. If you feel full, you would naturally binge less. Apples are also very low in calories and sugar content, which makes it an ideal bet for weight loss. Tomato. The tangy goodness of tomato may do wonders to cut your belly fat. Tomatoes tend to stimulate the production of the amino acid called carnitine, which is an organic molecule that is known to play a crucial role in the regulation of fatty acid and energy metabolism. Tomatoes are also enriched with a compound known as 9-oxo-ODA that helps decrease lipids in the blood and ensure healthy weight loss. Tomatoes also have high fiber content. Guava. The green crunchy fruit with white flesh is one of the most loved winter fruits of all time. It is loaded with dietary fibers, which help keep you satiated and prevents binging. The glycemic index or GI value of guava is also very low, which enables the slow release of sugar in the bloodstream. This promotes better insulin activity and weight management too. Strawberries. Juicy and ever so delightful strawberries are tremendously low in calories. A 100 grams serving of strawberries contain only 33 calories. You can tuck into them raw, blend them in smoothies or toss them up in salads as strawberries are immensely versatile. Kiwi. The tarty fruit is known to boost digestion naturally. Kiwi contains an enzyme known as actinidine, which helps in the digestion of proteins in the body. Good digestion and sustainable weight loss go hand in hand. Poor digestion can hamper the breakdown of food particles, which in turn could take a toll on metabolism and lead to weight gain. Include these foods in your diet and watch out for the impact on your waistline. These nutritious fruits are sure to help you reach your fitness goals and lose weight in a healthy way. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.